Hello everyone, I am Meghraj from the Green Finger School Cluj. My art integrated model is tessellation. What is tessellation? Come on guys, let's learn about tessellation. Sam called to say he is having some trouble at the farmhouse. Let's find out what is troubling him. Sam's dad wants him to select tiles for his coat ad, and Sam has to select the tiles that fit together so that no gap is left between them. So Sam need our help. Well Sam, you want a tessellation. What is tessellation? Tessellation is a way of creating a repeating pattern of shapes that fit together without overlapping so that no gap is left between them. Sam has tiles of many shapes. Let's find we can make tessellation using these tiles. Tessellations with different shapes of tiles. Let's start making a tessellation using these rectangular tiles. Here is one pattern we can form using rectangular tiles. Note that the tiles do not overlap and there is no gap between them. There is another such pattern that has no gap between the tiles. And this is yet another pattern formed from rectangular tiles without overlapping or leaving the gaps between them. So we can say that rectangular tiles form a tessellation. The shapes that form tessellation are called tessellating shapes. Rectangle is an example of a tessellating shape. Let's now try circular shapes. Here is the pattern we can form using circular tiles. Do the circular tiles form a tessellation? No, they don't. There are gaps between the circular tiles. The shapes that do not form a tessellation are called non-tessellating shapes. A circle is an example of a non-tessellating shape. Let's see whether the triangular shapes form a tessellation. Here is the pattern we can form using triangular tiles. Do the triangular tiles form a tessellation? Yes, they are. They form a tessellation without overlapping any gaps. Triangle is an example of a tessellating shape. Let's now see whether the pentagon shapes form a tessellation. Here is the pattern we can form using pentagonal tiles. Do they form a tessellation? No, they don't. They do not form a tessellation because there are gaps between the tiles. So pentagon is an example of a non-tessellating shape. Here are tiles of an interesting shapes. Let's see whether the tiles form a tessellation or not. Look at the pattern. Are these tessellating tiles? Certainly they are tessellating tiles. Because shapes form a tessellation without overlapping any gaps. Here are the patterns we could form Sam. Except the circular and pentagonal tiles, all other tiles form tessellation. You can choose any one of them that you like. Tessellations are fascinating. Try cutting out several pieces of different shapes from a cardboard and see which of them together create your own game of tessellations. Thank you guys.